Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing one image and a public folder so Windows can use it without activation limits. Copy the image to C, /users /public /pictures /lock screen, and keep the file name simple. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, and select Lock Screen. You do this because changing the lock screen via a public folder bypasses some UI restrictions on unactivated builds. Make sure to pick a supported format like JPG or PNG, and a reasonable resolution so the system accepts it. Next, you'll edit the registry to point Windows at your chosen image. Open Regedit as administrator, navigate to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows, and create a personalization key if it doesn't exist. Then add a new string value named lock screen image and paste the full path, for example C, /users /public /pictures /lock screen /MIPIC. JPG. You do this so the system uses your file directly. Make sure keys and values are exact because typos prevent Windows from reading the setting. Close Regedit once saved. Finally, lock your PC with Windows +L to see if the new lock screen appears. This verifies the change immediately. If the image didn't update, restart Explorer or reboot to force Windows to reload personalization settings. Make sure the image file has read permissions for all users and that the registry path and value names are spelled exactly. If problems persist, revert the registry change, test with a different image, and reapply. This isolates whether the file or registry entry is causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.